Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today y'all are gonna be baking Kristin Johns' cookie recipe with me. So let's get right into the video. Right, so the first thing she says to do in the video is to chop up dark chocolate into nice chunks with some little tiny shavings also, so that it can melt into the chocolate chips and be very, very yummy. So let's do that. Also, I forgot to say to preheat your oven to 365. So let me go do that also. Okay, so she said 340 grams. So this, the chocolates are, this is 100 grams, this is 100 grams, and then I have a Hershey's that's 41 grams. They're all dark chocolate, like I said. So I'm just gonna use these three chocolates. Alright guys, so I'm still chopping up the chocolate, but I'm just really excited about this recipe because I'm pretty sure it's going to work out good because hers look amazing and very, very yummy, and so that's what I'm hoping mine are going to turn out to look like. We've tried so many recipes. Actually, we used to have this one recipe that we loved, and I saved it on my phone. Like, I screenshotted it and I used to make them all the time, and actually I got the recipe from I think Kristin Johns' sister, which is Ashlyn. So you guys all should check out her. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she does have a Instagram. Anyway, so but we lost the recipe and I don't know where it went. I must have accidentally thrown it away. So now we have to try to find a new one. So hopefully this will be our next favorite chocolate chip recipe. I've literally this week tried like 3 chocolate chip recipes and none of them are the same as the one she had. So hopefully this one might possibly be it. Oh yay, the elephant's ready. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep chopping these up and I'll be back. I have a feeling it's gonna take, you know, a couple minutes. Alright guys, so she said to leave a little pile of big chunks so that you can put this on top of your cookies, so that'll give it kind of like that really chocolatey look. But to be honest, this I think will make it so chocolatey. I'm so excited. Butter is in our toaster oven melting, and now I'm going to put 3 1/4 cup of flour into a bowl, and while the butter is melting, I'll be putting together our dry ingredients. Alright, so now she wants us to put in 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So the last thing for her ingredients, for the dry ingredients, were salt, but actually I have salted butter and we have no unsalted butter. So I'm just going to skip the salt part and use the salt that's in the butter as the salt in our cookies, if that makes any sense. So she uses a cute little wooden whisk to stir around her dry ingredients, but I'm going to just be using this little giraffe whisk and whisk them all together. She's getting her mixer together, but she has a stand mixer. I only have a little hand mixer. I really want a stand mixer, but I don't have one yet. I'm definitely gonna get one someday though. Alright, so we have our butter melted. We'll just pour that in here. And then she said to do 1/2 cup, 1 1/2 cups of brown sugar. And then she wants us to do 1/2 cup of just regular granulated sugar. To mix together our wet ingredients for about a couple minutes. So mixed for a couple minutes. I think that she says about how it's supposed to look like. So it looks like it's turning out pretty good. I think she says now it's time to add eggs. So let's see how many we have to add. She said to add 2 eggs while mixing, but I feel like that's gonna be kind of hard to do. So I'm just the next ingredient she wants us to use is vanilla bean paste. She says that makes the cookies taste so good. But I went to Walmart and we couldn't find vanilla paste. So I'm just gonna be using normal vanilla extract, but adding a little bit more. She adds 2 teaspoons of vanilla paste. I might use 2 teaspoons and a half of vanilla bean extract. I've mixed the vanilla bean in. She wants us to start adding in the dry ingredients. So we'll start doing that. So now it's time to add in our chocolate. So she recommended to put pecans in the batter, which I think sounds amazing. She said that you don't have to, it's optional, but of course, I think that I'm just gonna follow wherever she goes. Her batter always looks amazing. So she didn't really tell an exact amount, but I'm just gonna do like a handful, maybe 2, 3 handfuls, and just chop those up. So they've been in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So now I'm going to be just taking a ice cream scoop and scooping out the cookie dough and pretty much just placing them probably like 1 inch or 2 inches away. And then once they're all done, I'll show you all what she loves to do at the very end. So let's just start scooping them and putting them on the pan. To make her chocolate chips look super chocolatey, and she takes these chocolate chunks and just kind of presses them into the cookie, and it makes it look like chocolate is just spilling out of them. Now it is time to put these in the oven for 10 minutes. They're done. They look so good. I'm gonna let them cool a little bit, and then once they're nice and cool, I'm gonna let my family try it, and they're gonna tell me how they like it. Taste.
Good.
Oh, that is not appetizing looking.
I think Grant. Which one?
So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please try out this recipe. It is so fun to do and fun to make. And then also check out Kristin Laurel's channel. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.